Hardy hibiscus. Hardy hibiscus can grow about 3 to 6 feet tall and wide, and is hardy in zones 5 to 9. And they come in many colors. Here is some white with red eyes. I like this red one here, though. This is really nice. And this is the same red one also. Here is what they look like after they're done blooming, and here is the blooms now. They just kind of shrivel up when they're done blooming. And here is one without any blooms on it. A lot of times you can't recognize the plant if it's not blooming. So here's what they look like without any blooms. And then here's the same plant after it bloomed. And here's a different one. This one's up by the garden hose. They like a lot of moisture, and they like a lot of sun. So a lot of sun and a lot of moisture. And probably like most plants, they like a good rich soil too, with a lot of organic material. They start blooming late in June and continue almost into August. Hummingbirds and butterflies love them. You can see how big it is compared to my hand there. There's all the blooms, buds that are coming on there at the top. This plant here, I didn't give it enough water at one time because it's way out away from the water hose, and so it did die back. I thought it was dead, but once you start watering it again, it will come back. So give them plenty of water. They are popular with hummingbirds and butterflies too. Here you can see down the ground the growth from last year. They die back to the ground and then send up new stems that turn woody during the year. I should cut these old ones from last year back lower to the ground, and I'll probably do that next year with a good sharp pair of loping shears. This year I did cut them lower to the ground and then covered the whole thing up with wood chips. So we'll see this spring how that comes out. This flower bed here, it's in full sun, and it's right by the hose. So it's doing really well. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. And thanks again. Goodbye.